Hi, how you doing? Well, today I've been thinking a lot about quantum physics. Well, I took a look at it years ago, and it's an interesting concept. And is it real? Is it true? Are we experiencing a quantum physics event? I know when I woke up on election day and before election day, things were like one way, headed in, the energies were headed in a certain direction. And then all of a sudden, it changed. And that night, it was like waking up to to a to a different reality. I mean, it was frightening. It was scary, and it has been ever since. I, I can't stop thinking about it. I can't stop wondering what the hell is going on. You know, did we switch into a different timeline? Yeah, I believe there probably are different timelines. But how can you go into one reality and suddenly find yourself in another reality? I don't know. It's can we get back to the old reality? Can things change? Or are we stuck in this reality? Is this another us, another you, another me that exists in another reality that suddenly came to existence? I don't know. How could you? How could your mind, your brain, and your consciousness start out in one reality? It looks like everything's going in a certain direction, and then suddenly disappear, and you end up experiencing a different reality. I don't know. It's crazy. And are we stuck here? I don't know. When I used to watch things like, Stargate SG-1 and, Star Trek. I mean, they had examples, you know, of that. And I found it fascinating. But I never thought I'd live it. uh, it's quantum physics is a weird thing. I try to stay in a place of observation, not get too hung up on, what's going on. Not to get too emotionally, involved in it. Just, observe and watch what's happening, what's going on. And this one has my mind boggled, mind blown. So I don't know. At one time I thought I kind of knew what was going on and what the answers were, but now I'm not so sure. Now I just think I want to go back to the way it was. I want to go back to the other timeline. Well, I'm probably already in the other timeline. According to the way, that works, different realities. Um, but other timelines still exist, and the other me is experiencing living in that other reality, or not. I think so. I think in the other reality, I'm happy with the way, the election went. I'm looking forward to Kamala being our new president and all the wonderful things that are uh, going to come about because of that, and that, you know, it's a wonderful life. But this me, in this reality, is not so happy with what's going down. It's scary. It's very, very scary. And I guess all we can do is just take it one day at a time and see what happens. And hope that the planets and the stars are going to be in the favor of we little humans here in this world. So, according to the astrologers, the planets are, you know, playing a big part of what's going to happen. And I guess we'll see. So, thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. And have a great week. In fact, have a great year. I hope we all make it in this reality. Bye. Thank you for watching.